All right, guys, day 6 of this 30-day walking challenge. So far, so good. I was able to walk all 6 days. I've just been walking and then making a smoothie for breakfast. Next week, I'll focus more on showing you guys some of the meals that I've been eating. So this week, it was just about getting up. I get out at about 7:15. Today I was able to get out at 7:10, but lately it's been about 7:15. I've been walking for about 30 minutes. The goal was to walk 2 miles a day. So maybe I haven't been able to do that except for one day this week. So maybe next week I'll get up earlier and I can hit my target of 2 miles a day. Again, this is not for weight loss per se. It's really just to build a habit. I'm hoping that by walking for 30 days and then just monitoring what I'm putting in my body, that next month it'll be a little easier to commit to a healthy eating plan. So if this is something that you guys are interested in, if you've been trying to do this and failed multiple times like me, join me. Depending on when you see this video, it doesn't matter. There are several days left in September, so just come on and get your sneakers on and come out for a walk with me. All right, guys, good morning. It's day 7, Sunday. I almost didn't get out here this morning. I just honestly didn't feel like it. But I committed, so here I am. And I know that if I don't come out today, for me, what'll happen is I won't come out tomorrow. All right, guys, good morning. So it's September 8th, Monday morning. This is 8th day of my 30-day walking challenge. Let's see. I almost didn't come out today. It's going to rain. So I'm trying to get my walk in as fast as I can. To be honest, I just was tired this morning. It was a long weekend and I was just looking for another maybe 30 minutes of sleep, but I got out and I'm glad I did. I was thinking I would push it off till tonight and either do come out before it was too dark or get on the treadmill, but I knew I probably wouldn't do it. So happy I got out. Day 8. Hey guys, so I wanted to touch base as I've been doing this walking challenge. I'm gonna be honest, some days I post, some days I'm recording myself and I'm looking at myself and I'm like, ooh, I don't wanna post this. I don't know, I just feel like social media has a way of social media has really changed, I think, in my opinion, authenticity. So as I'm posting these videos, I'm trying to stay true to myself and true to you guys as viewers. But I will say that sometimes I'm like, ooh, I don't know if I want to post this because I look a little rough. But that's just the reality of where I'm at in life. And if my videos, and I'm just hoping that the videos resonate with someone, anyone, even if it's just one person. So I hope that this challenge that I'm doing for myself encourages someone, whether it's right now or down the road, because the videos will go on and on and on, to just make sure that you keep taking care of yourself, show up as your most authentic self. And maybe that's why it's hard sometimes for me to post content, is really honestly me trying to be the most authentic version of myself. And sometimes that's not glamorous. Sometimes that's not even exciting or interesting. It's just, you know, me. Good morning, guys. It's day 10 of the Walk With Me 30-day challenge for the month of September. Sorry. Vlogging is not my strong suit. So the goal this week was to focus on getting up a little bit earlier in the morning so that I can increase my time from 30 to 45 minutes. Failed there. I have not met that goal for this week. I just need to go to bed earlier. The second thing I was focusing on this week, or the second goal that I set for myself, was to eat healthier. So on Sunday, I did a little meal prepping for this week, and I will keep you guys posted as to how that goes. All right, guys, so as I mentioned earlier, this week I focused on eating healthier, and for me, that requires preparation and convenience. I made an egg white bake, something that I could eat pretty quickly in the morning and didn't have to think about. And then I also made some seared pork chops with carrots and potatoes. I cut my carrots and potatoes up on Sunday. All right, guys, I hope you're enjoying this walking challenge. Comment below if you've started walking or are considering walking. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.